Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to group tabs in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. So by this way, we can organize our tabs in a much more easier way. So let's say you have multiple tabs open like this. Just select one tab, okay? Right click on it, and here you will be having add tab to new group. Click that and you can just name it. I'll just go with number, and you can change the color denoting that group, and that's it. So now there is only one particular tab inside this group. If I want to add another tab, I can right click on this and add group to. I can create a new group, or I can go with an existing one. I will just click the existing one, and as you can see, if I close it, now expanded, I'm having two tabs inside this group. This is not the only way to add it. I can simply drag and drop this like this. So here you can see I have like 3 tabs inside it. If you want to remove any one of the tabs, right click and click on remove from group. That's it, it's now out. And if you want to edit any of these, just click on the group name. We can change the color, ungroup, or even like delete the group. Okay, so yep, all the tabs will be getting closed when you are deleting it. And you can even like create multiple groups. Just go with game, that's one group, and add new group, can name something random. So I'm having like 2 groups at this moment. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.